What tools do professional carpet cleaners use? Always hire professionals for cleaning your carpets. They not only use the best carpet cleaning supplies, but they also use the most appropriate tools. They include heavy-duty vacuum cleaner, carpet cleaners, defoamer, stain remover, air scrubber, and carpet rake. Our Melbourne carpet cleaners, from Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne, use these tools as well. This helps us to deliver flawless results. This makes us one of the best and the most acclaimed Melbourne carpet cleaning company. Book our service by calling at 0385839100 or write to us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. See how we can transform your dirty carpets in a jiffy.